What if your spreadsheet could show you a bar chart inside every single cell with zero effort and zero extra columns? Data bars in Excel do exactly that. When you have a long list of sales numbers or scores, it is nearly impossible to spot the highs and lows just by reading digits down a column. Most people start by selecting the range of numbers you want to visualize. In this example, we are selecting cells B2 through B7, which contain our sales figures. Next, go to the Home tab on the ribbon and you will see two style options. Gradient Fill gives you bars that fade from color to white, which looks sleek and modern inside the cell. Solid Fill gives you a bold, fully look at the result. Each cell now shows the number and a colored bar that visually represents its size relative to the others. So Carol at 9700 has the longest. You just learned how to use data bars in conditional formatting to turn any column of numbers into an instant visual mini chart. No separate